Hi everyone, this is Miss Muller here to review how to solve one-step multiplication and division equations. Use the division property of equality to solve multiplication equations and the multiplication property of equality to solve division equations. The division property of equality states that if you divide each side of an equation by the same non-zero number, the two sides remain equal. The multiplication property of equality states that if you multiply each side of an equation by the same number, the two sides remain equal. Let's take a look at example 1. Solve 30 equals 6x. Remember, whenever you see a number next to a variable, it is showing multiplication. So since this is showing multiplication, we need to perform the inverse operation. Once again, remember, the inverse means the opposite. So the opposite of multiplication is division. Divide each side of the equation by 6. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Bring down your variable x. There's your answer. 5 equals x. Let's take a look at example 2. Solve x over -5 equals -2. If you see an equation that looks like a fraction, it is showing division. This is showing x divided by -5. We need to do the inverse or opposite operation. The opposite of divide is multiply. Multiply each side of the equation by -5. -2 times -5 equals +10. Bring down your variable x. There's your answer. X equals 10. Let's do some practice equations. I'm going to do all of the odd numbers. You need to do all of the even numbers. When you're done, take a picture of your answers and upload to Google Classroom. Please let me know if you have any questions. Let's get started with number 1. 3x equals 12. This is showing 3 times x. The opposite of multiply is divide. Let's divide each side by 3. The 3's on this side will cancel out. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Bring down your variable x. There's your answer. X equals 4. Let's try the next one. Number 3. -15a equals -45. This is showing multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. Let's divide both sides by -15. The -15's on this side will cancel out. Divide -45 divided by -15 to get 3. Bring down your variable a. There's your answer. A equals 3. Let's move on to the next problem. Number 5. X over 5 equals 12. This is showing division. The opposite of division is multiplication. We're going to multiply both sides by 5. The 5's on this side will cross out. 12 times 5 equals 60. Bring down your variable. There's your answer. X equals 60. Let's move on to number 7. C over -2 equals 7. This is showing division. The opposite of division is multiplication. Let's multiply by -2. Multiply by -2 on both sides. The -2's will cross out on this side. 7 times -2 equals -14. Bring down your variable. There's your answer. C equals -14. Let's do the last one, number 9. M over 6 equals -4. This is showing m divided by 6. The opposite of divide is times. Multiply times 6. The 6's on this side will cross out. -4 times 6 equals -24. Bring down your variable. There's your answer. M equals -24. Please complete all of the even numbers for your assignment this week. If you have any questions, please email me or come to my office hours. My office hours are every Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 8 to 9 in the morning, or Tuesdays and Thursdays from 4 to 5 in the afternoon. Please let me know if you guys have any questions.